Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to activate and deactivate gift cards in your Shopify account. So if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify account, then click on product section, then click on gift cards. Then you can create any gift card, or if you have any existing one, then you can click on this. So whenever you will make any new gift card, then it will automatically gonna activate on your Shopify account. So now I will tell you how you can deactivate any of your gift card. So for this, you need to click on the deactivate option, then again click on deactivate. But whenever you will deactivate any of your gift card, then you can't reactivate that particular gift card again. So if you want to reapply this gift card in your Shopify account, then you again need to make a new create gift card and you need to make a new one. So that's it for the day. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.